Welcome back. David, your firm recently took a bit of a hit with Walmart stock. How are you feeling about the investment today?
I own about half of what I had on that day. It was actually kind of a rough week for me. Not a lot went right. Maybe the best decision I made was selling half of our Cisco right in front of their earnings, but we took a hit the next morning. We dumped the rest of that. Walmart, the same day, they came in not so much light on the earnings and the headline numbers, but some of the guidance was a concern for the street. But when you dug down into the numbers, what was really bothering everybody was that they were forecasting deflation, and that fact that their sales might go down because even if their customers were buying all the same units and the same number of items, overall sales might take a hit from that. Everybody panicked over that and thought it might be the end of the consumer and maybe a harbinger for bad news for the economy. Maybe that's bad news for Walmart, but I don't view that as bad news for the consumer. And they might even take that extra money in their pocket and buy some discretionary item, perhaps a piece of clothing with higher margins. And that could maybe in the long run, Walmart could even get something out of that. I elected to sell half the position, with the caveat that I may sell the rest of the position. We'll see.
How do you square what they said with what your forecast is for rates and the broader economy?
I think they were pretty honest about it, and I may even regret that I sold half the position. You look at that moment in time, and as part of the challenge of being a portfolio manager is to separate the emotion, because it's a very emotional in the morning when you've got a number of companies reporting. I kind of hate the earnings season because you wake up in the morning, you got 6, 7 companies, you got to make a lot of decisions very quickly. Even if you have a staff to do it, those decisions have to be made quickly, and sometimes the first trade out, that might be the best trade of the day. So we elected to sell half. I'm holding the rest of it. We'll see over the next couple of weeks.
If you weren't in the stock right now, would you consider it a buy or a sell?
Tough one. I think I would find a better use of the cash, probably.
Thank you, David, and thank you for watching. Check out qz.com for more.